Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa mga katropa natin. Andito na naman tayo sa panibago nating video, and for now, pag-uusapan natin is yung unboxing natin sa mga bago nating perfect grade. We were able to acquire 2 perfect grades at hulaan nyo kung ano itong mga perfect grade na to. Ito lang naman yung mga 1999 Zaku na kulay green at yung 1999 na Zaku na Charles Aznabel's special Zaku. So, just to give you a quick history, itong mga perfect grade na to, wala pang perfect grade na bago na lumalabas sa mga Zaku. Ito pa lang yung perfect grade na meron yung mga Zaku. And ito lang, dalawa kasi to, green Zaku tsaka yung red. Ito lang yung nag-iisang perfect grade na model ng Bandai na hindi main character. Katulad ng Green Zaku. Yung Green Zaku is parang ordinary soldiers lang sila, pero may perfect grade sila. So now, I will show them to you. Ito. So ito yung Charles Aznabel's Red Zaku. Yan siya. Ayan. Papakita natin yan mamaya. At ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong special para sa akin kasi ito yung Green Zaku na ordinary Zaku, pero ito lang yung nag-iisang ordinary mobile suit na meron ng Bandai na may perfect grade. Okay? So, parang ito, so Gundam Wing ang katumbas nito, Leo. Okay? Tapos sa mga ibang Gundam series, parang ito lang yung extra na Gundam or extra na mobile suit. Pero ito, meron siyang perfect grade. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for the both of them, and let's see kung ano magkakalalabasan nito. Anyway, i-build natin to sa mga susunod na araw, pero right now I just want you to see it. Okay, I'll see you in a bit, and ito na. So okay guys, ito, bubuksan na natin yung perfect grade Zaku na kulay green. As you can see, it says here MS06F Zaku 2 Principality of Zeon Mass Productive Mobile Suit. So ito lang yung nag-iisang mass production mobile suit na kahalin tulad ng Leo ng Gundam Wing na merong perfect grade. Dinaig pa niya yung mga ibang Gundams. Ayan siya. So it's 17.5 meters in height pag sa ano niya, and then ito naman yung mga iba pa niyang mga features. Yan. Okay, so let's see. So in the box you will see ito yung kanyang construction manual. Yan, the manual, yan, and then the instruction manual. Magkaiba yung construction manual at instruction manual. Ayan siya, oh. So, I think, di ako marunong magbasa ng Japanese, pero from the word itself, instruction. So, it's instructing you kung ano yung mga, kung paano yung pinaka the best way para ma-manipulate and para siguro, maximize mo siya. Instruction manual. Ayan, no? May mga tactical weapon, actual fighting, yan, etc. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Tingnan natin. So, and then, as you could see, meron tayong runners dito, and we also have this. At ito rin yung runners. Bubuksan din natin ito maya-maya. So, yeah, let's check. So this, mukha siyang quality. It looks like it's good. Tapos, sealed. Wala tayong runners na down. Yan. Balik natin dito muna to. Then these are the weapons. Yung machine gun at saka yung axe. Napakasimple lang ng build na to. Parang palagay ko, parang hindi siya perfect grade. Pero as they say, ang pinaka intricate daw dito is the skeletal part. The most intricate part of this is the skeleton or the internal internal structure of it. So, yan. Malinis. It's good. Yeah. One thing that I like with these Zakus is that they're very simple. Tapos, napaka-iconic din nila. So, yan, no? You can see. The quality of the plastic is really good. Okay na okay siya. So, let us put this back. Yan. So, one thing that for you to note is that itong mga Zaku na to are the first mobile suit with the first Mobile Suit Gundam series. Nabida si Amuro Ray at ang main antagonist is si Charles. Si Charles Aznable. So, ayan o, kompleto o. Ay, tingnan nyo yung color. The color is good too. And then it says 1999, ewan ko kung mababasa nyo, 1999 Made in Japan Bandai. Ayan. So, ito 1999 pa tong mga to, pero it's already 2025 right now and it's still good. They're still good. Ayan. Yung mga ibang parts pa nila. Let's see. Ayan. Wala pang natanggal sa runners. Good. Na-preserve. These kits were preserved really well by the first owner. Nabili ko sa kanila to. Ayan o. Nabili ko sa kanila to for a reasonable price. And then even the box, it's still good. It says 1999 made in Japan. Ayan siya o. Oh. So, I don't know if I'm gonna build this one or I don't know. Sabihin nyo ako kung i-build ko o hindi. So, ito naman yung mga ibang parts. It has some screws, decals. Look at this decals. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nice. Sealed pa rin siya. Okay. Then, meron siyang mga chrome. A little chrome. I think these are for the pistons. And then, ito yung double injection. This is like one of the first PG or perfect grade that has double injection. So, ito double injection to. Ayan. So, these are the best during their time. Okay. Tapos, ito naman yung ibang parts pa niya. Yeah, this is for the axe. This is for the head, I think. Tapos, ito yung sa paa. Ang laki. They're so huge. Yan, malaki yung pagkakaano nila. And look at this. Ito naman yung sa shoulder, I think. Yan. Ganda. So, quality-wise, and then, yung mga gamit niya, they're very simple. Palagay ko, kayang-kaya nating buuin to. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung, yung itsura nung, yan. Let's put this back. So, it is well preserved. Nabibili to ngayon sa market. Mura lang naman itong mga to. You could buy them here at Edmonton from $160 to $185. So, let's just show you kung anong itsura nila. No, not this one. Ito. Okay. See? How intricate is the skeletal system? Yeah. Ayan siya. Marami siyang pistons and everything. Ayan. So, we're gonna be building this. Ayan siya, oh. Napakaganda. Ayan. And now, we're gonna move on with the Charles Aznable's Zaku. Okay, so guys, this is the other Zaku. Ito yung Zaku ni Charles Aznable. So, ito yung parang pinaka magaganda sa mga Zaku. And then, ipapakita natin sa inyo ngayon kung ano yung laman niya. So, let us go back again. It says here, perfect grade. Yan. Tapos, ayan, MS06S. Yung isa is MS06F. So, ito naman, S. And then, this one is Zaku 2, Principality of Zeon, Charles Aznable's And then, customize mobile suit. Ayan siya, height 17. Same as with the other guy. Pero mukhang mas maano lang to. Mas mataas lang yung output niya. Yeah, mas mataas ang output na ito kasi special to. Ano niya. So, yan, let us open it. As you can see, yan. Ayan. Technical information. Ayan siya. Talagang maganda siya. Then look at it. Oh, yeah. Gunpla. Ayan. So, I'll show you kung yan, ito rin yung construction manual. Same as with the green Zaku. Yeah, totally the same. I think the only difference is the color and this antenna here. Kasi dun sa green Zaku, wala siyang antenna. So, technically, this one is taller. So, yan din yan. Yun yung build niya. Yeah. And then, I think dito lang yung pinagkaiba din nila. This part. Okay? We'll see. Yeah, we'll see next time. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. But, most are the same. Yan. Ayan, o. Yan, o. Pagkakaiba. MSF 06S and MSF 06F. Yan. Cool. And then, katulad lang din yata nung kanina. So, as you could see, yan, maganda rin ang quality nila. I think basically, technically the same kung sa lahat. Meron lang itong pinagkaiba sa antenna. And then, nakikita ko kahit 1999 to. Grabe, ang ganda ng quality. The quality is really good. Yeah, look at this. See? Totally the same. All runners are still sealed. So, we don't have any problem. Okay? Balik lang natin sila. Then, let's see the other one. See, they're all the same. Ganda ng kulay nito. Look at the color. Yeah, look at the color of it. Maganda siya. And then, the backpack. Yan, backpack. Totally the same. Ito lang ang pinagkaiba nila. This. Everything's the same. Yeah. Yeah, look at this. Look at the skeleton. Yung runners ng skeleton. They're so good. Okay, balik natin. Tapos ito. We'll see. So kung makikita nyo, ang ganda pa rin. 1999 pa rin sila. Oh. Well preserved. Talagang version 1. Okay. So, yan. Again, meron tayong 4 pistons. Tapos, meron tayong mga tornilyo. I don't know where to put this, but we're gonna see it next time. Dito, sisiguraduhin natin, mati-check natin lahat yan. And, again, they're still sealed. Tapos, double injection. Meron din silang double injection. Ito yung mga daliri niya. Double injection din. Wow. Then the foot. Ito naman yung sa may salamin niya. We'll see. Ayan ang ganda. Quality. Yeah. See? Ganda. Wow. Ito naman yung mga PC niya. PC parts. These are the PC parts. Ito napaka-importante ng mga to. Pag may naging missing dito, patay tayo. Ayan. So, I'm currently checking on them right now. Nothing is missing. Everything is all good. Yep. Panalong panalo. Okay. So, yeah. That's pretty much it. So, next time we're gonna be building this. I'm gonna be building this with you guys. Gagawa ako ng video. But now, meron tayong video dun sa Daban build. Panoorin nyo lang yon. At makikita nyo. First time kong mag-build ng Daban. Okay, meron din akong build dun sa mega size ko. I'm starting to do more content about Gunplas. Okay? Hindi po ako magaling mag-build. Backyard builder lang ako, sabi nga nila. Pero yeah, tawag dito. I just want you to see and enjoy kung ano man ang meron ako para rin may share ko sa inyo. And yeah, this is Bandai. Yun lang. And yeah, thank you very much and see you on the next video. Excited na akong i-build yung mga to. And marami pa tayong i-build in the future. Thank you and have a great day. Ayun, nakita na natin yung mga bagong mga bagong pwede nating i-build next time. So ito nga pala yung collection ko. Right now I have, I think, 40 plus combinations of Gundam model kits from HG, RG, master grade to perfect grade to mega size. So ayan o. Ayun yung, ito yung mega size ko. This is my mega size. Ginawan ko rin yun ng video. Ito naman yung HG na unicorn. Ito naman yung RG real grade. Tapos master grade. Sila yung, tapos ito pa yung mga ibang build ko. Ayan. Meron tayong, tag dito, Phoenix na Bandai. Unicorn na Bandai. Banshee na Bandai. Tapos meron din tayong Exia na Bandai. Lahat to Bandai. Pwera lang dito. Pera lang dito sa guy na to. Yan, pera lang dito sa Daban na to. Pero everything is Bandai. Sinubukan ko magdaban build. At susubukan ko pang magdaban build ulit. Siguro bubuin ko yung perfectability na Daban na model kit. Umorder ako sa Pilipinas. Tingnan ko kung madadala dito ni wife at para makabuo tayo. Pero yeah, right now I'm really happy kasi ang dami-dami kong nagiging experience sa hobby na to. Mas, alam mo yun, mas marami akong natututunan and I am always excited na bumuo. Parang nakakagana. But anyway, thank you very much. See you on the next build. Enjoy and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.